Hey friends, welcome back to the studio. Now, one thing that doesn't get talked about enough in Serverpod tutorials are environments. Most projects start with just development, then staging appears, then production. And suddenly you're managing three different data configs, three different server URLs, and a constant risk of running a destructive query against the wrong one. So Dartform has a built-in environment switcher that handles all of this and adds safety guardrails for when you're working with production. Let me show you how it works. So in the top right of the data modeling panel, you'll see a badge showing your active environment. Right now it shows dev, green. Dartform detects environments automatically by reading the config files in your Serverpod project's config folder. Development, staging, and production, whichever YAM files exist, Dartform picks them up. Now click the badge to open the environment picker. You'll see all your available environments listed there with their connection details pulled from the config files. Now let's switch to staging. The badge turns orange. The data browser and SQL Editor are now connected to your staging database. Now let's try production. Before Dartform switches, it shows you a warning. You're about to connect to a live system and it asks you to confirm. The badge turns red and it stays red, always visible, so you never forget which database you're connected to. And in the SQL Editor, if you try to run anything destructive while on any of the environments, drop, delete, truncate, Dartform intercepts it and asks you to confirm before it runs. Now that confirmation dialog has saved me from mistakes more than once. Switch back to development the same way, click the badge, select dev. We're back to green, safe to work freely again. Now the color system is simple, green for development, orange for staging, red for production. You always know where you are, you always have a confirmation step before anything destructive runs on live data. So if you haven't tried Dartform yet, the link is in the description below. And if this was helpful, subscribe for more.